Welcome to Unit 2, where we explore the essential connection between listening and comprehending. While our previous unit covered the basic roles and skills of a listener, here we will focus on the cognitive process of understanding what we hear. To get the most out of this lesson, please be prepared to listen to audio materials to put these skills into practice. By the end of this session, you will be able to demonstrate the relationship between listening and comprehension, perform tasks to sharpen your understanding, and articulate the key factors that influence your success. Listening is a purposeful activity, but it is ineffective without comprehension. The level of comprehension you achieve often depends on your context. In casual listening, where the information is less critical, your comprehension levels are naturally minimal. However, in intense listening, which is necessary for important subject matter, you must maintain focused attention, identify key details, and stay actively engaged. A skilled listener knows how to remain flexible, shifting between these modes based on the importance of the communication. Achieving deep comprehension requires more than just hearing words. It relies on your general knowledge of the topic, a broad vocabulary, and your ability to apply personal experience through active engagement. To master these strategies, start by listening attentively and following the flow of the speaker's argument. Pay close attention to speech patterns such as introductions, body points, and conclusions. You will find that transitional words act like signposts, using cues like however, before, or finally to guide you through the logical progression of ideas. Of course, several barriers can hinder your progress, such as a lack of familiarity with the topic, difficulty concentrating, a lack of interest, linguistic gaps, or the inability to reflect deeply on what is being said. As you move forward in your studies, remember that comprehension is the cornerstone of all listening. Whether you are in a lecture, a seminar, or a tutorial, avoid these common barriers. Always keep in mind that listening without comprehension is useless. Stay engaged with the material and ensure that your listening activity leads to true understanding.